Night and day this woman keeps searching. What she trying to find? This big lumberjack of mine. Says she want the captain right up the line. Watch ya! The girl searching for the big lumberjack. Over the lumberjack I go on like a maniac. Searching gone out of her mind. Only the big lumberjack can make she feel fine. No man say bigger the better when it come to the turn. And I am here just to spread the word, just to get the right size. She will fly like a bird from the horse's mouth. This is what I heard. That is small like a straw is totally absurd. You know have the right size, take heed and observe. Lick it pump up a tree till it tall and curve. A woman equipped to take whatever the man can serve. You give her 8-inch long and it not touch the right curve. You have to make sure you have more in reserve. Cause she's searching for the big lumberjack. Over the lumberjack I go on like a maniac. Searching gone out of her mind. Only the big lumberjack can make she feel fine. She want the cream and the crop. Who is the chief of staff? A man we rough and rugged master of him craft. Look like him rob a bull cow. Not the cap lumber big and solid. You know enough is after the man. A man with the pose like that me know. Her photograph and when him take off him pants, she hold her belly and laugh. And look pan him good and not. Where's the other half? She want it fat like a elephant, tall like giraffe. And no any kind of ship can dock up in her wharf. Sink the big Titanic. She no want no liquor off. Cause she's searching for the big lumberjack. Over the lumberjack I go on like a maniac. Searching gone out of her mind. Only the big lumberjack can make she feel fine. She said the like a hood can bring no sweetness. She need to more and she no stop insist. She want the big lumberjack from start to finish. Because the width and the length she just carries this. A guy have a little pitch pan team get dismissed. She don't get the lumber for your day. It's like facing a crisis. With her hand pan her jaw sit down and reminisce. She not a state of shock so she miss the sweetness. Searching for the big lumberjack. Over the lumberjack I go on like a maniac. Searching gone out of her mind. Only the big lumberjack can make she feel fine. No man say bigger the better when it come to the third. And I am here just to spread the word, just to get the right size. She will fly like a bird from the horse's mouth. This is what I earned. That is fine like a straw. It's totally absurd. You know have the right size. Take heed and observe. Lick it pump up a tree. Make it tall and curve. Got the big piece of lumber. What she deserve. Woman equipped to take whatever the man can serve. You give her 8-inch long and it not touch the right nerve. You have to make sure you have more in reserve. Cause she's searching for the big lumberjack. Over the lumberjack I go on like a maniac. Searching gone out of her mind. Only the big lumberjack can make she feel fine. She want the cream and the crop. Oh yes, the chief of staff. A man we rough and rugged master of him craft. Look like him rob a bull cow. Not the calf lumber big and solid. You know enough is after the man. No man with the pose like that me know. Her photographer when him take off him pants, she hold her belly and laugh. And look pan him good and not. Where's the other half? She want it fat like a elephant, tall like giraffe. And no any kind of ship can dock up in her wharf. Sink the big Titanic. No one no liquor off. Cause she's searching for the big lumberjack. Over the lumberjack I go on like a maniac. Searching gone out of her mind. Only the big lumberjack can make she feel fine. She said that a hood can bring no sweetness. She need something more and she no stop insist. She want the big lumberjack from start to finish. Because the width and the length she just can't resist. A guy have a little pitch pan him get